Hello students, welcome to class 5 maths. Today we are going to start with chapter number 3, multiplication, division and their application. Student, you have already studied multiplication of small number. Today we are going to study about multiplication of large number. Now, multiplication of large number is done in the same way as the multiplication of smaller number. How you have done the multiplication of smaller number? It's exactly same for the multiplication of large number. Let us see an example. Now student, this I have taken 4-digit number and it is multiplied by only one single digit number which you have done in previous class. Let's see how we have done in previous class. Now student, what we have done here? We have taken 1934. This we are going to multiply by 4. Now we must know 4 table. So we are going to multiply this each number by 4. So how we are going to write down? 4 4s are 16. So this 16 will be written, 6 will be written here, and 1 which is in tens place, that we have given carry over to the tens place. Now 4 4s are over. Now we'll come to 4 3s are. Now 4 3s are 12, and 12 plus 1 become 13. So again 3 will be here and 1 will be in carry over. Now 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 become 37. Again 7 we have written here and 3 we have given carry over. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. So student, in your previous class you have done the multiplication of smaller number like this way. Similarly, we are going to do the multiplication of large number by 2-digit number or 3-digit number. Let's see an example. Now what is given here? Multiply 1934. Same I have taken number and it is multiplied by 2-digit number. Means 4-digit number is multiplied by 2-digit number. Now student, first what we are going to do? First, now this 1934 is going to multiply by 34. So this 34 first we will multiply by 4. 1934 we are going to multiply it by 4 and then we will multiply it by 3. See here, we multiply. See, in earlier step we have done. We multiplied 1034 into 4, we got 7736 and we write down in the first row. Here we will write down. See here we have written it. This we have multiplied by 4. When we multiplied 1934 by 4, we got 7736 which we have written in the first row. Now the same number, 4-digit number, we are going to multiply by 3 here. 3 means 3, this is 34. How we write? 34. So now this is 30. So what we'll do? We'll place here 1 0. See, first put 0 in the ones column. Here we'll put 0 and then we'll multiply this 1934 by 3. And the number carried forward this time are encircle. Now this we have just written number. Now whatever the carryover come that we are going to forward, that will be encircle at the top of the previous one, so that there should be no any confusion. So we are going to encircle. Now look here. What we have done? We have placed here we have put 0 in the ones column. Now we are going to multiply by 3. 3 4s are 12. See, 2 is written here and 1 we have given for carry forward this, which is encircle. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 become 10. We have written 1 here and 1 here and 0 here. Now 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 become 28 and 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 become 5. Now what we are going to do? This is 34. These both we are going to add. And whatever after adding we'll get, that will be your answer. See, we have added here. Okay, now we'll add. Your answer is 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 5 here and carry over here. And 5 plus 1 become here 6. So your answer is, when we multiplied 1934 into 34, we get 65,756. Student, you have understood this. This 2-digit number also we have done in previous class. Next one. So finally here we have written answer in the last step. Okay, now see, we have taken this example. Now 1934, earlier we have multiplied by 4. In the second example we have multiplied by 34, and now we are going to multiply by 234. That means we are going to multiply with this 4-digit number by 3-digit number. So same process will follow. First we have written this in a vertical form. Now what we are going to do, 1934 we are going to multiply by first 4, then we'll multiply by 3 and then 2. See, first what we have done in the first example, we multiply by 4, we got 7736, and that we are going to write in first row. So we have written here first row like this way. Now what we are going to do, same thing, put 0 in one column and then multiplied by 3. So we are getting here, and then carry forward. Now whatever is going to carry forward, already here the number is given. When we carry forward again, it will be confusion. So what we are going to do, we are going to encircle, which we are going to return on the top of the previous one. So when we multiply 1934 by 3, you are getting 5802. So what we are going to do, you are going to place here 0, and we have written 5802. Now same thing, we are going to again multiply by 2 here. So what we will do, first we will put ones and tens place we will put 0, and then we will multiply by 2, which will be forward, carry forward will come here on the top of this. Okay, so when we multiply, we are getting 1934 multiplied by 2, you are getting 3868. So that we will write down here. See, ones place and tens place we have put 0, and then we have multiplied, we got answer 3868. Now this is when we multiply, we got here by 4, we got this answer. When we multiply by 30, we got this answer. When we multiply by 200, we got this answer. That means this is 234. This way answer we got. And now what we are going to do, we are going to add these 3. So when we add here, we are getting this answer. So 6 plus 0 plus, we are getting here 6, 3 plus 2 plus 0, we are getting here 5, 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 8 15. Now here is 7, this 6 is 6, 14, 14 plus 8, we are getting 21. Okay, then 5 plus 8 15, so we have written here 15, and 3 plus 1 become here 4. So finally your answer is 4,52,556, and that will write down answer 1934. When we multiply by 234, we get 6,57. We get 4,52,556. These 3 examples you will just copy down in your notebook. Come on, start writing. So when we multiplied 1934 into 234, we are getting here 4,51,556. Next one, we'll remember some rules here. Now look here, the product means multiplication. What multiplication we are going to do? Of a number, we are going to multiply by 1, means any number multiply by 1. When we multiply any number, we are getting the number itself. Let's take simple example 2. Let here the number be a 2. When this 2 is multiplied by 1, 2 ones are, we are writing 2. Let's take 3. 3 ones are 3, means whatever number we are taking, that number only itself comes here. So we say that the product of any number, though the number is larger number, if the large number is multiplied by 1, the answer will be the large number itself. Let's take example. See here, I have taken example 45,678. This is large number. This when we multiplied by 1, we are getting the same that number itself. Second one, the product of number. Now again, any number you take and multiply by 0, it will be always 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, your answer is always 1. So whether it is small number or large number, when we multiply by 0, answer is 0 itself. See here, I have taken here example, same number I have taken 45,678. When we multiply by 0, your answer is 0. Let's come to the third one. Now if the order of the number multiplied is changed, then the product remains the same. Let's take one simple example. If I take 2 into 3, answer is what? Student, 2 into 3, 6. Now I'll take 3 into 2. 3 into 2 answer is also 6. Means here I have changed the order, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Though the order is changed, but the product always remains the same. Let's see one large example. Look here, 45,678 when we multiply by 21, and 21 into 45,678, answer will be same. That means when we change the order, the product will remain same. Now student, let's see exercise 3.1, page number 39. Student, you are going to solve along with me. First I will explain and then you are going to copy down it in your notebook. Question number 1. Solve the following. First one, 3,462, we are going to multiply it by 35. So this is given in a horizontal way. So what we are going to do, we are going to first write in a vertical way. Okay, this we have written in a vertical way. So now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply 3,462 by 5. Let's multiply. Look here. This I have done here. See, 5 2s are this 10. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 become 31. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 become here 23. And 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 becomes 17. So we got here 17,308. That we'll write down here in the first row, and this carryover also we'll write down here. Okay, see, we have written as it is this. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to place 0 here, or we'll take 30, or we place here 0 and then we'll multiply by 3. Okay, see, I have taken here 0. Okay, when we take here 0, immediately we are going to write down here 0, and now we are going to multiply 3,462 by 3, only 3, because this 0 already we have placed here, which is in 1's place. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 become 13, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 become 10. See here, when we multiply by second times, I have the carry forward is encircle. Now this encircle one we are going to write on the top of this, and this answer will write down below this. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to add these two numbers. This is 5 and this is 30. 35, 30 plus 5, 35. So we'll add. Okay, so you got here answer 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 1 become here 7, 8 plus 3 11. So we'll carry over here 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 become 11. Now 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 become here 2, and this one we have written here as it is. So you got a finally answer 1,21,170. So student, just copy down this sum in your notebook. Okay, I think student you have completed your work. Let's come to the next. Now next one is same, only the number is changed, the way of solving is same. 7,594 we are going to multiply by 38. This we are going to write down in a vertical form. Okay, this we have written in vertical form. Now 7,594 we are going to multiply it by 8. Let's multiply. Okay, look here, Here I have done 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus becomes 75. This we have written here 75. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 7 become 47, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 become here 60. Now this number we'll write down here in the first row, and this carry forward also we'll write down here as it is. Okay student, no need to do this separately. I have just shown for your explanation that how we have multiplied by first 8 and then we are going to multiply by 3 here. So if you are not doing this, then also it's well do directly. You can start here. 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus become here 75, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 7 become 47, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 become here 60. Then what we'll do, we'll place here 0 and then we'll multiply by 3s are like 3 4s are 12. What we'll do, 1 here encircle and we'll write down here, just here and here. See, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27 plus 1 become 28, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 become here 17, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 become here 22. Now same number we'll write down here in the second row, and this we have encircle that we are going to write down on the top of this. Okay, see, we have written here. Now what we are going to do, only 2-digit number is there, so twice we have written here. So now we are going to add these both. Okay, so we have added, done here, and we'll do the addition. So your answer is 2 plus 0 become 2, 5 plus 2 become here 7, 7 plus 8 15, 0 plus 7 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 2 8 and 2 here as it is. So your finally answer is 2,88,572. I hope student you have understood this sum very well, how to multiply any large number by 2-digit number. Just write down. C1. Now look here student, this is 4-digit number and this is now 3-digit number. Till now earlier you have done 2-digit number, you have learned how to write down. Now we will do, well, we'll multiply this large number by 3-digit number. What will our first, we are going to write down in a vertical form. Okay student, first tell me what we have to do, by which number we have to multiply. 2295 we are going to multiply by first this 2 here. Okay, let's multiply here like this. Directly also you can do, or I can show you here also. See here, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 become here 19, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 become here 5, and 2 2s are 4. So this we are going to write down in a first row. Okay, we have written here. Okay, second step is what? We are going to place here 0, or we are going to multiply by 60 here, because this is 60. This is 60, so we'll multiply by 60 here. See, I have written purposely 1 0 aside this, so that this 0 will be written here, and we are going to multiply this number by 6. So 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 become 57, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 becomes 17, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 become here 13. As there should be no confusion, I have written this aside. Okay, I have written this ones place, and here the number 6 and 0 beside that. So this we will write down in the second row. Okay, we have written here, and the carry forward is there, that we have encircled and we have written on the top of this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply by this 3 or 300. This is 300. So I have taken here, say again this 20 outside I have taken, and below 5 I have written here 3. Now multiply by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27 plus 1 become 28, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 3 2s are 6. Now this number we are going to write down in the third row. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to add these 3 numbers. Okay, so we have done here plus, and we are going to 0, so we have written here 0. 9 plus 0 plus 0 become 9. Simple way, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 become here 17 here. This 8, 8 16, 16 plus 4 become here 20. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 become here 13, and 6 7 8 8. So your answer is 8,30,790. I hope student you have understood it very well, how to multiply large number by 3-digit number. Just write down. Okay, let's come to the next D1. Okay, one more sum. This I'll show you. Again, we have written this 4-digit number. This is 3-digit number. 4-digit number is multiplied by 3-digit number. This is given in a horizontal way. So, student, what we are going to write down first in a vertical form. We have written this. Now, first step is what? This 4-digit number we are going to multiply by 1. So, 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. Look here. When any number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. This we have written in the first row. So your number will be as it is. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply by 3 and 0. This is 30. How we read this? This is like 500, 30 and 1. So what we have done, we have multiplied by 1. Now this is 30. So we are going to multiply by 30 here, like this way. We got this answer. This is carry forward here, that we will write down here. As here there is no any carry forward is that, so just we will take it without encircle. Okay, this we have taken. Now what we will do, we will multiply it by here 500. This is 500. So we have written here 500. We have multiplied. We got this answer. See here, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, plus 3 become 43, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 become 24, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 become 27. Now this number we will write down in the here third row. Okay, and here we have encircle now. The carry forward is encircle. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add these three numbers. So we have done here plus, and we are going to add 7 plus 0 becomes 0. Sorry, 7 plus 0 become here 7. 8 plus 1 9 plus 0 become here 9. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 5 become 15. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 become 13. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 become here 11. 7 plus 1 plus 1 become 9, and 2 here as it is. Come on student, just write down this. I hope you have finished this. Let's continue the to E1. 6382 multiplied by 714. Now this is 3-digit number, you know already. Come on student, first what we'll do, we'll write down in a vertical form. First what we'll do, now we are not going to write down here separately, so we'll do it here itself. So first we'll multiply by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 4 3s are 12, plus 3 15, 4 6 are 24, plus 1 become here 25. Come on student, just write down. Now what we'll do, we'll place, and now we are going to multiply by this one, so the number will be as it is, and we have written here first 0, and we have multiplied. We got here 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3, and 1 6s are 6. Now we are going to multiply by 700. So this is 700. So first what we'll write down, in ones column we'll write down, ones place we'll write down 0, tens place we'll write down 0, and from here we'll multiply by only 7. Just do here, see, 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56, plus 1 57, 7 3s are 21 plus 5 become 26, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2 become 44. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add notebook, and then we will proceed to the next sum. I think student you have done this. Come to the next F1. Okay student, just do it by your own. I'll just help out. I'll just multiply. I'll show you after doing one step each. Okay, see, everybody has written this in horizontal to vertical. Now everybody start multiplying first by 2. First you multiply by 2, first write down, and then I'll show you the correct answer. Everybody has done, finished? Okay, just check. See here, everybody got the same answer. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 9s are 18. This is very simple table. Now what you will do, you will place here 0 and then multiply by 5. Come on, start doing. Just check your answer. See here, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 become 12, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 become here 6, and 5 9s are 45. We have written here 45. Now multiply by 3. First what you'll do, you'll place here 1s and 10s plus 0, and then we'll multiply by 3. Come on, start doing. Three table is also very easy to you. Just check. Okay, we have written here 0. Now 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3, and 3 9s are 27. Now just add these 3. Check your answer. Here 8, 4, 2 plus 2 plus 2 becomes 6, 21 here, 11, 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, and 2 plus 1, 3. I hope everybody got correct answer. Okay, now student, this is homework for you. Page number 39, question number 1. This I have written here the remaining sum, and this you are going to do today itself, and in our next lecture I'll show you the correct answer, and you are supposed to check that, but the answer should be ready with you. Thank you.